Aloha, it's me, Teresa. I'm gonna show you my sister place, Marcella. Okay, this is their place. They have chicken, paria, that's bitter melon plant, and they have some marunggay also there. Marunggay plant. Yes, this is my sister house. That's my sister sitting down. Hello, ate. Say hi. That's Marcella. Got some calamansi here. There's the calamansi. Calamansi tree. That's the marunggay. Oh, and look at all that chicken. Chicken. They are beautiful chicken. They have plenty. They have plenty chicken. Hello, chicken. Hi, chicken. And there's the rooster. That's a nice rooster there. There. Hello. Hi there. You're a big rooster. Oh, big chicken. How about the other one? Hey. Hello there. Oh, this one is very big and fat. Wow. Those are fat chicken. Rooster. Hello there. Oh my God. Very nice. Yeah, they have beautiful chicken. There you go. Wow. Nice chicken. Those my nephew chicken. Big chicken. Whoa. This is nice chicken. Oh, nice. Different color too. Look at the color. What about you? Nice gray. Hey. That's a nice gray too. Oh my. It's really beautiful. Beautiful chicken. Yeah, hi. I have another one over there. That's black chicken. That's a big chicken also. Don't be scared. Hi, I'm just taking picture. Yeah. Big chicken. Hello. This is really big also. Oh, wow. Hello there. Hello, chicken. You're a big chicken. Good for adobo. Ah, no, just kidding. So we go this side. Hello there. Hi, another one. They're really scared. Yeah. And this is fatter too. This is big chicken. Hello, rooster. Hello, rooster. Hi. I have a lot of chicken here. Yeah, this is chicken, Kauai chicken. Yeah, island of Kauai. It's really nice day. Very hot. Really nice to go to the beach too also. Maybe I'll show you guys next time our beach here in Kauai, Hawaii. They call it the Garden Island of Kauai. Okay, you guys. Thank you for watching and mahalo.